In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and create a form using the HubSpot platform. This tutorial is designed to guide you through the process step by step, ensuring you feel confident and empowered to make the most of HubSpot's robust form building features. First off, we'll start by heading over to the HubSpot user guide. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL app na2.hubspot.com to gain access to the HubSpot platform's wide range of resources. Once you're on the home page, look for the User Guide section. Clicking on the User Guide will take you to a comprehensive set of instructions and tips to help manage your HubSpot experience. Now, once you're in the User Guide, direct your attention to a tab titled Forms. This section is your go-to resource for managing all your forms-related tasks. By clicking on Forms, you'll be introduced to a list of all existing forms in your system. This overview is incredibly useful as it gives you insights into how forms have been utilized across your organization. From here, we'll begin the process of creating a new form, essential for capturing information and engaging with your audience. Now, locate and click on the Create Form button. This is typically found in the top right corner of your screen and is your portal to the form building experience. The ability to create forms with ease is one of HubSpot's key features, allowing for enhanced interaction with users or potential clients. Once you click on Create Form, you'll be directed to the Form Editor. Here you can choose a form type that best suits your needs. The Form Editor presents a user-friendly interface where you can begin building your form by dragging and dropping various fields such as name, email, or contact number, making the form personal and relevant to your audience. In the event that you are working with an older version of HubSpot's Form Builder, you might find the need to switch to the legacy Form Editor. This can be particularly useful if you're familiar with the older ways of creating, or if your situation demands the features of the classic editor. Simply locate the Legacy Form Editor option within the Form Editor page and click on it. This will transfer you to an interface you might be more comfortable navigating through. And there we have it. You've now successfully accessed the necessary resources and created a form using HubSpot. Taking time to familiarize yourself with these tools can significantly increase your efficiency and success in managing customer interactions. Keep exploring to find more ways to optimize your use of HubSpot's extensive capabilities. Thanks for following along and happy form building.